Good morning, classroom three. Happy Monday. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Today we are doing activities under June 1st, 2020 for ELA and social emotional. You're going to draw a family picture. Think of the people who are important to you and your child and draw a picture of them. Write their names. So that's what you're gonna do. I think we did this activity before. So if you still have the pictures, you could just go over the pictures or have the child draw new pictures. And for math, you're going to practice measuring. So you're going to measure and cut out a piece of string or ribbon as long as your child's arm. Invite them to look for objects that surround the house that are the same length as the piece of string. Appear shorter. So you're just going to cut a piece of string or ribbon if you have in the house, whatever you have in the house, and measure the child's arm with the string, and you're going to go around measuring things that is the same size or shorter. If you don't have a string, if you have a measuring tape, you can use a measuring tape, or if you just take your child arm and just measure things with the child arm to see what's this and what things in the house um, is the same length as your child arm, and what things are shorter, or you could do longer. So those are things in the house if you could do. And I gave you other options. If you don't have string or ribbon, you could just take your child arm and just use it as your measuring tape to see what things are the same size or shorter or bigger. For science and social studies, recycle materials. You're going to save reusable objects such as boxes, clean, and paper towel rolls. Use materials to make what he or she enjoys, such as cars. So they want you to do like a recycling. So the paper towel rolls, that when you finish, or the toilet paper rolls, when you finish the toilet paper, you could just take it and try to make a car out of it. Anything your child, those good for telescopes, to make telescopes with it. So that's some kind of example to use, or instrument. Your child like to act like he playing the flute or something. You can make instruments out of it. People. So that's just some examples. And for physical, a three-corner catch. So play an easy game of toss and catch with your child, and they play mates. So it's just a easy game of catch. So if you have a softball at home, or if you want to go in your yard, you just play catch and toss and catch. And if you don't have a softball, you can always use a sock or something soft. And that would be it for today's activity. And here we go in Spanish. Here, that's it.